Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava ice cream, easy method. Start by toasting nuts and preparing syrup so flavors infuse while the ice cream churns. I guide you through a simple custard base, folding in honeyed phyllo crumbs and balancing sweetness with lemon and spice. You will learn timing tips, texture checks, and easy storage advice to keep that crisp, chewy contrast. Stay relaxed and have fun with each step. Gathering ingredients is half the joy and makes this easy method smooth. Measure milk, cream, sugar, and eggs carefully for a stable custard. Toast and chop nuts ahead to cool while you make syrup and phyllo crumbs. Stir in honey, lemon zest, and spice at the right time so flavors balance without overpowering the base. Keep everything chilled before churning to speed freezing and improve texture for scooping later. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without worrying about spills, and it fits nicely on a counter next to your mixing bowl. I find it handy during long chilling times or when I want dessert inspiration. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters, but it can be simple and forgiving with these steps. Temper eggs gradually into warm milk to protect the custard from scrambling. Cool the custard thoroughly before churning to help it thicken evenly and reduce ice crystals. Fold in phyllo crumbs and nuts at the end so they keep some crunch and distribute flavor. Finally, let the ice cream rest overnight for the best scoopable texture and balanced taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.